Good day, everyone. Today we will discuss the Fourier Transform and Fourier series. But first, we will discuss about the Fourier Transform. Fourier Transform is one type of the what we called domain transformation. And we all know that the domain transformation transfers from one domain to another using a kernel. Now, the equation of Fourier transform f of j omega is equal to the integral of f of t e to the negative j omega t dt from 0 up to infinite. Now, if we will recall our Laplace transform, another type of domain transformation, how to get the Laplace transform? That is f of s equal to the 0 of the to the infinite of f of t e to the negative st d of t. If you will notice, they both have e or Euler exponent as their what? As the kernel of the transform. Now, look at the exponent of e. You will notice that if we substitute s of the Laplace by j omega, we could say that is the Fourier transform already. Now, let's try an example. We are asked to get the f of j omega of e to the negative 3t u of t. The first step is we must get the Laplace transform. What is the Laplace of e to the negative 3t? That is 1 over s plus 3. The second step, according to the pattern of our kernels, all s must become j omega. Do we have to simplify it? No. Because that's the coefficient of the Fourier transform. So in other words, the Fourier transform of the function is equal to 1 over j omega plus 3. Okay, let's try the example. We are asked to determine the Fourier series coefficient a sub 1 of the function f of x equal to x squared, where f of x plus 2 pi is equal to f of x. Step 1, we must determine the period. According here, the function will repeat at x plus 2 pi. So, meaning to say, our period is equal to 2 pi. Second step, we must determine the omega. And according to the circuits, that is 2 pi over t, making this equal to 1. Our third step, we must determine the n. The n, that is the subscript of the coefficient. So here we are asked to compute a sub 1. So our n is equal to 1. The fourth step is we must shove everything to the equation formula. So that is a sub 1 equal to the 2 over the period integral of what is the function? X squared cosine omega nx. What is our omega? 1. What is our n? 1. So making this cosine of x dx. So since the period is from up to 2 pi, so our limit is from 0 to 2 pi. making us the a sub 1 to be equal to 4.